wheel, I've not got my foot in the accelerator, I'm apprehensively have my foot quite near the brake. Now, the Tesla slowly closing the distance with the car ahead of us, it's slowing down because we're matching their speed to maintain a distance of 3. Now we're going to speed up again to catch up to this truck. I've set it to go no faster than 100 like a responsible citizen, and then it's dropping speed again. Just hope we don't crash into the back of the truck. And once this last car on my right overtakes, I'll go around the truck and the car will speed up to compensate, catch up and maintain the distance with the car ahead of me. So I'm just going to indicate out. The car is moving itself and speeding up at the same time. There we go, back up to 100 with absolute ease. And it's now, I can feel the steering wheel in my hands just slightly turning to compensate for the bend in the road. And there it is, it's straightening up again. It's quite unnerving. It's you don't feel like you can take your foot quite far from the brake, but I haven't touched the accelerator in the last 3 minutes. It's doing all the work for me. The screen has half and half, so we can have consumption up. So while we're looking at GPS, we can see how much energy we're using and kind of when we'll need to charge next. Then obviously we can go onto the internet and check out our favorite news website here, and we can scroll down through it and check the top news stories of the day. And this car is just littered with features, and one of them is the bioweapons defense mode, which is meant, as it says in the tin, filters out any pollution outside, but also, as I said, bioweapons. It might be a bit of an over-the-top name, but it's all about kind of filtering out those pollutants in the air. Let's say you're living in a city and you're driving your kids around. Tesla wants you to be safe, know that your kids are safe in the back, not inhaling the pollutants of a city. Another cool feature is you can change the acceleration mode. So at the moment it's standard as sport. You can also switch it into ludicrous mode, which just makes the car even more powerful than it is. Obviously taking more energy, but you'll really feel it take off when you're in ludicrous mode.
Oh my God! Ow!
Questions people usually have are around range and charging, and then affordability. So the first thing to know with charging our cars is that the majority of it happens at home and also at the workplace. Now, if you imagine that you can wake up to a fully charged car every single day versus a combustion engine car in which actually over time on your driveway that car has less and less and less range until one day you're forced to an inconvenient detour to go somewhere and pay 80 or 100 euros for a fill up, and then you go back on your route. So it's kind of a behavior that we've learned, but it's not a very convenient one. So we encourage people to charge at home and have the convenience of a fully charged car every single morning. On top of that, then our supercharger network will enable journeys for long distances. But bear in mind, our cars can do up to 632 kilometers in our highest range Model S and over 500 kilometers in the Model X. So they're already very long range vehicles. So with a full charge from home, you'll be able to do the majority of your driving without having to stop anywhere at all.